Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be digging up and getting ready to store my Dahlia tubers. I've left it as long as I want to leave it. I don't want to get a really bad frost and end up damaging my tubers, but most experts say that you should leave them till start getting a little bit of black on the leaves. I've had a couple of mild frosts, nothing major. You can just see there. So what I'm going to be doing with these is cutting them back and digging them up. This one's a beautiful red one in the corner, so we'll get that one first. This is what I'm going to be using, my good old-fashioned shears. What you want to do, you want to cut them back so you've got 6 to 12 inches. So you've got like basically a handle on them. So you get the right back there. Use secateurs, anything you want for this. Yeah, as you can see there, whoops, nearly. As you can see there, that's quick and easy. Put this pensiment back. All we need to do then is dig them up. These have been grown from seed, these. So let's see how big the tubers are, shall we? What I can do with these is try and get all the way around if I can. I don't want to dig too close because you don't want to damage the tubers. Yeah, this is a nice soft compass. This is coming up really easy, which I'm pleased with. So if you can see that. Now, this when you use the handle, you see, just give them a little pull. Wow, I am so happy with that. Let's just turn that over, shall we? What we need to do then, once you've got it like that, I want to shake most of the soil off. Like so. You don't want any vine weevils, anything like that. You don't want anything left in there that can damage it over the winter. You can see there the compost it was growing in originally. What I'll do with these is now get things in there, get all that compacted soil, any worms out. Don't want to take them inside and kill them. So yeah, that's the first one. What I need to do with that one then is show you. So you get the hose pipe on this, jet it all in between, remove all the soil. So we'll just get on with that, shall we? All I need to do then, got my hose pipe set up. Right, this has been cleaned off now. I've put my name tag on and then I've put it back. Just want to show you this. It's been cut back. Put it back, leaving a couple of inches, leaving a handle on there, a couple of inches. As you can see here, all this will be new growth next year, even further down. Might even be able to split this just there, just to get some growth off that one. But that's starting to be another plant there, so yeah. That's basically how I do it. What I'll do with this, now I've got the rest of the top growth off, I will lean it on its side like that, basically upside down. Leave it to dry. Once this has been dried then, thoroughly dried, I shall cut any long bits of root off from the tuber. Rest it in a box of you can either shredded up newspaper, dry compost, a mixture of both. But you must make sure that you check it a couple of times a week, make sure there's no rot and there's nothing in there eating them, because you don't want to find them, go to get them out in the spring or January, February when you're going to start them and there's nothing left and they're all damaged, so you've wasted your time basically. So yeah, always put a name tag on when they're grown from seed. I just put colour, the colour it is. This one's a beautiful red, stunning red. So yeah, that's basically how to dig up your Dahlia tubers. how to rinse them off, and how to prepare them for looking after over the winter and storage. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.